things I try to lock inside are too ugly to bear. Find the seam inside my dream and begin to tear. Through my eyes they come alive and they beckon for a stare. And in your throat I hear the mournful bells above to hear. The silence weeps for which of us will leave with something worse. Oh, what a beautiful curve. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawthings again with another hopefully interesting lesson for you. This is a song from Benjamin Todd of the Lost Dog Street Dog fame, and the song is one of his more recent solo songs called Beautiful Curse. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Benjamin Todd. The only difference is that he fingerpicks it and I'm strumming it. Okay. So I think most people watching my lessons probably strum, so it's probably more apt. Okay, so this is the strumming version anyway. So it starts off with the nice little E minor intro. So basic E minor chord, but add your pinky to the top E string on the 3rd fret. Okay, and what we do to start with is we sort of hit the bassy side of the strings. Okay, and then the top end. So it's with that sort of 6th string, 5th string, 4th string sort of thing, and then the rest of the strings, emphasising that pinky on the 3rd fret there on the top E string, and then another up and down strum. Okay. Then we do the same thing again, but we lower the pinky down to the 2nd fret on the top E string, okay? Same thing, but with the pinky on the 2nd fret top E string. So that's a form of E minor, and then it goes down to E minor 9. Okay? And then we do the same thing without pinky altogether, just straightforward E minor, hit the bass note, and then the rest of the chord. But this time, after that one, we do a hammer from the second on the 2nd string, the B string, hammer up to the 3rd fret with pinky. Okay, and then hit the top E string open. I tend to uplift, I'll pick it somehow down or up, whichever is more comfortable. Alright. So what I'm doing there from the beginning is okay. And then sort of just a straightforward E minor. So hit the bass note down, down, up and down, okay? And then you repeat the whole thing, okay? So from the beginning. Got it? Right, then it goes into the song and it goes into a D chord, okay? So, straightforward D, nothing fancy, just a straightforward D, okay? So, let's just go into that for you. Things I try to look inside are to G, ugly to C. Got that? So the first line is D. The things I try to look inside are G, ugly to C. There. Play G that way if you want, or that way. Okay, whichever you want. Okay, so things I try to look inside are too ugly to bear. back to E minor. Find the C in D, inside my dream, and C to there. Now we've got a little bit of a rundown. So second line is find E minor, still in my C of D, inside my dream, and begin to tear. So that's C and begin to fare. That's a C chord, and then we lower the bass, so hit the bass note on the C chord, third on the fifth, and then lower the bass note to the second on the fifth, keeping the first finger where it is on the second string first fret. Just emphasise those run notes, third on the fifth, second on the fifth, E minor. Okay, so the first two lines. The things I tried to lock inside are too ugly to bear. Find the seed inside my dream and begin to tear. Okay? Then he goes back to the D. Through my eyes they come alive, and G beckon, C to stare, E minor, and you throw D there again. B's all above me here. Exactly the same as the first time round, okay? So the only difference is on the second time round, after you B's all up to here, you go to an E minor 7th by putting your pinky. Initially it's an E minor, then you put your pinky on that third fret of the second string. Okay, so from the beginning, okay? The things I tried to lock inside are too ugly to bear. Find the seam inside my dream and begin to tear. Through my eyes they come alive and beckon for a stare, and in your throat I hear a note, oh bees all about to hear. Now we go to the chorus, G, and the silence is G. And the silence weeps for A minor, which of us will C with G in the bass. That's a C chord, straightforward C chord, 3 fingers, but this finger, third finger, goes up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, and the pinky goes to the 3rd fret on the 5th. A 4-fingered C, or C with G in the bass. So, and the G silence weeps for A minor, which of us will C with G in the bass, leave with something worse. Now, this is a D7 with F sharp in the bass. Okay, so what I'm doing, first finger, second string, first fret. Okay, first fret, second string, first finger. Third finger, second fret, third string, G string. Okay, and the second finger is going on the bottom E string on the 2nd fret. And I'm playing from 6 down to 2. Okay, that's a D7 with F sharp in the bass. Okay, so, and this, from the beginning of this chorus, and the silence we use for which of us will leave with something worse. And then a single stroke on A minor. Oh, what a C with G in the bass. Beautiful E minor chord. And we go the intro again. Okay, and so as usual, the whole intro twice round. And then it does another verse and chorus exactly the same, and another verse and chorus exactly the same. Okay, so once you've got the first verse and chorus sorted and the intro, you've got the whole song. Okay, so let's do the chorus again just for completeness. Okay, so coming out of that, in your throat, hear the note bells above to hear. curve. Ba, 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 off into the second verse. Okay, so there you have it. You have everything you need to play that song. Okay, so just refer to my playthrough if you get lost. Thanks very much for listening, and hopefully you'll enjoy playing that. Thanks you. See you in the next video.